How to make a blog website on WordPress for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how you can create your own blog website using WordPress.com. So let's get into it. Today, I'll show you how you can create a high quality blog website with WordPress, which is going to be really easy for you. And this is a beginner's tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is you can go to WordPress.com and you can sign up and get started. If you have any other hosting platform, then you will go here. For me, I actually host my WordPress on Pantheon, so I'm here. And what you can do is you can create a new website with like any name, and to get to the admin, that's our main focus. You will click on create a new website and then give your website a name, and WordPress will take you right here. So for me, I already have a website, so I'm just going to click on site admin, and here we are inside our dashboard. So this is like our main dashboard that we get for a website as a complete beginner. Even if I take you to visit site here, so let's actually open it up in a new tab. So this website like has nothing right now, and what we can do is this is just with the template. So this website has nothing right now. What we'll do is we'll go back to our dashboard. In order to create a blog on WordPress, you need to actually, create a very visual, website, and it is going to be a very simple and a website that can embed blogs. For that, first of all, we're going to go to the pages. Go to all pages, and for a blog website, you need to have a blog page. Then you can create a home page. Of course, home page will be there. Home page, blog page. If you want to, you can create an about page and a contact us page. So these are the pages that we will create for our website. Click on add new, and you can create a new page just like this. For me, let's create a blog page. So we'll give it a title, let's say blog. And then we can type in and choose anything. At the top, we have this add and insert the blog option and patterns. And this is where we create like a simple page. We also have like edit with Elementor. So if you want to add Elementor to a WordPress, you can do that very easily with a plugin. Okay, so once you have created the page, you can actually customize them. I'll show you in a minute. So you have created the page now. This was the first step. The next thing that you need to do is you're going to go to the post option. Now, within your post, you'll be able to see that we have our post that we do on our WordPress. Now, these are the posts that we can create and we can write for our blogs. This is where you create new post. So you can actually create posts here before you customize the website so that you have blogs to insert. One more thing that you need to do is you're going to go to the plugins here and click on add new. Now you can do this on any of website you have. Let's say that you have a business website, but you now want to add a blog into your website, or you want to actually create a website with a template or something. So you will go to the plugins, click on add new, and you're going to search for blogs at the top in the search bar. So here we have blogs, and now you'll be able to see we have all of these different plugins available. For instance, this one, Blog Designer Pack, News and Blog Designer Pack, WordPress blog plugin, and it gives us the blog post grid, blog post sliders, and blog post cursor, a ticker, and more. So this is the one that I wanted to go for. This is actually a pretty good one. It has 30,000 plus active installation and is compatible with my WordPress version. So I'm going to click on install now, and this will be installed. This is why I wanted to show you how to create a page. Now you have the pages of your website, you have the post that you wanted to add, and now we have a layout and a page, a plugin that will allow me to create grids and cursors for my blog. Click on activate and your plugin will be activated. It's a free plugin that we can go for. All right, so we're going to click on allow and activate. Perfect. So now we have this blog designer here, and you can see we have a lot of different options available. For my blog page, the other pages will be very similar. The home page, customizing it is really easy. How to create a website on WordPress, there are already video on this channel. So now you can see free and premium layouts. So the grid is actually free, slider is free, cursor is free, list is free, and most of the other options. So I like to go with a grid. So what I'll do is I'll click on create shortcut, and now we have this short code here. And you can see this is our page. This is the preview of the page that we already have. Now what you will do is you will simply go to the page, the blog page that you created, and you will embed this code. At this side of the screen, you'll be able to see we have grids. We have grid 1, 2, 3. So it depends on how many blogs you want. So let's say I want to showcase 5. So you can see this is what it will look like on this side of the screen. If you already have the blogs, then it will show you the previews. That is why I'm saying you need to actually upload the posts first. So this is how you will select the layout for your blogs. Now let's go to our website and customize it. So here, this is our main page. But what I'll do is I'll actually switch to the blog page that we just created. Okay, so I have selected the page, and then we will click on, add new post. And this is where I'll create a new blog. So you have to give your title of the blog that you have. For instance, I have a new fitness blog. So I'll write the title here. And after that, we have to choose a blog. So this is where what we do is we kind of just add our copy and paste our blog here. If you do not want to write, if you want to write, then you can choose the paragraph option. And this is where you will add, your paragraph and the text that you have. We can even insert images and videos for a blog that we are creating. And of course, we can customize our blog and the style that we want. At the top, you can see I am getting the edit with Elementor option. So if you want to go with this one, as I showed you how to add a plugin, you can add Elementor this way. Then we have this tool, we have edit and select here, we have this add again. So that will allow me to add a list, and we can even add buttons and more to a page here. So then at the top we have preview or publish. So I'll just copy and paste my blog here and click on publish, and it will be published on this page. So even this way, or the first way that I show you from your admin, you can create post. Once you have created the post, then it will be shown on your home page, just like we had selected here in the form of the grids. So this is what we want for a blog page, and this is what we want when we're creating a blog on WordPress. So this is actually really easy. You can add a bunch of different plugins. There are other plugins too, some visual plugins that you can go for, such as the picture layouts, the gallery. So you can add that too. So it totally depends on what kind of blog you run. When it comes to our blog designer pack, you can go with the grids and other options. Let me show you some of the themes that are good for a blog. So you can go to the appearance and themes. We have Astra. Then we have this one, which is 2015. This one is also good for a blog, which is a free 2014. And we can scroll down to check out other themes. In the theme section, you can search for blog. And here we have the best themes for blog websites. RSWP Minimal, Recent Blog. Then we have Daisy Blog, 3Blog, Music, Rowan. These are all of the different templates for the blog websites. And you can see we have a lot of different options available. In my case, if I wanted to go for something like this, then we can get a preview. And this is what it looks like, a blog website. Similarly, I can check out some of the other ones. We have this one here. You can select a theme first and then get started. You can see this one here. This is also a blog template. So this way you can select any of the themes from here for a blog website, and then you can add the plugin I showed you, create post, and upload. This way you will have a high quality professional blog website on WordPress. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.